Hello, good day, everyone. So, today I want to talk about of course, we all know the issue regarding Turnitin currently. Turnitin is like a gold right now, so it's not really available for everyone, just very limited number of people. But today we want to talk about the alternative to Turnitin. Now, like I said, it is alternative. It is not actually Turnitin. Now, let me explain what this means to you. Now, the difference between this and Turnitin is there's no much difference. Now, this is how it works. Now, regarding the plagiarism aspect, this alternative Turnitin I'm talking about, you're going to get your AI report and also your plagiarism report. It's just like an instructor account. Are you getting me? Now let's talk about the plagiarism report. Now for the plagiarism report, it's exactly like Turnitin. No issue with that. But now when we talk about the AI reports now, all what I'm going to say now, I'm going to practicalize it so you're going to see how it really works. I will log into the account and you're going to see it. But I want to give you a little bit of background information regarding this tool. Now, so regarding the AI reports now, this is the truth about it. Turnitin reports, like we all know, is generally acceptable worldwide in most universities. Now, regarding this particular account now, which is called Academia, look at it, Acadmi.cx. Now, regarding this particular alternative Turnitin now, the truth is when it comes to AI reports, this account is more strict than Turnitin. That's just the bitter truth. Now, I'm not just giving this to you because I'm just using it. I've been using this for going to 2 months now. Even before Turnitin had issues, I just started using it again a month ago. And I can tell you that this particular account is more strict when it comes to AI. Now, let me give you a little bit explanation. Now, if you're using this account, right? And when you check your report on this account, and in this account, it might tell you 50% AI. But when you take that same report to check on Turnitin, Turnitin might tell you 21%, 25% AI. Are you seeing the difference? That's why most people will say, this account is not accurate. It is accurate. The only difference is this is more strict than Turnitin. Are you getting me? Another example is if you submit a work on this account and probably it's giving you 70% AI. If you check that same work on Turnitin, I can bet your result you have will be reduced, like maybe 50% AI, 40% AI. Where I'm going to is the reason why I'm encouraging people to get this account is because the cost to check Turnitin per account is expensive. Even apart from the money, most people when you send them a work, before they are going to respond to you to give you your result, it might take 1 hour, 30 minutes. And especially for writers, that can be frustrating. Are you getting me? Except me though. I don't know why. Once it comes to checking, it's not just about checking of Turnitin. My service generally, I attend to people very, very fast. But other people are not like me. Are you getting me? It's because I've had a lot of clients when they come to me and say, "Oh, Josh, your customer service is top notch because you always respond to clients very fast." And that's why I always have lots of people trying to check their work with me because I respond quickly to check their Turnitin report. And understand, if you want to check your Turnitin report, you can always send it to me. I have my Turnitin account. I will definitely check it for you and send the result. But the reason why I'm also introducing this to you is because at times you might not want to be spending a lot of money to be checking per document to see the result. One. Two, at the same time, you might wake up midnight and you want to work. You don't need to you don't need to wait till morning time or when the person is available for you to check your work. So that's why I said it's an alternative to Turnitin. So how does this help you to fasten your work? Now, when you're done with the work, instead of you sending it in for Turnitin and pay money to check and also wait for a couple of minutes before you get the report, you can buy this account, you come here, you check the report. When you check the report here, you will see your Turnitin report. You can use this report to work on your document until this account shows you 0%. Once this account has showed you 0%, that is when you are now going to go and check it on Turnitin. Of course, we know the problem when it comes to checking Turnitin. When you check a work, it will tell you 30%. You will work on it, you will come back again. At times, people spend up to 15,000 naira just to check a work until it gets to 0%. Instead of you doing all those stress, you just come here to use this account to check your work until it is 0%. Once this account is 0%, you can now take that work and check it on Turnitin. Now, instead of you checking a work 5 times, it has reduced your checking to just once. Now, remember I told you that if this account gives you 50% AI, when you take that account when you take that same document to Turnitin, Turnitin will give you lesser percent like 30% or 25% or 40%. Now imagine if this account has given you 0%. Are you seeing where I'm going to now? If this account has given you 0%, when you take that work and go to Turnitin, you can be rest assured that the result you are going to get from Turnitin will definitely be 0%. Are you seeing where I'm going to now? That is why I'm recommending this to people to buy. This will help you reduce the amount you spend on going back and front to be checking AI reports. This account, I recommend it basically for your AI reports. Are you getting me? So once you are using this account, you use this account to check your work until it gets to 0%. Once this account has given your AI report to be 0%, you can now take this work to check on Turnitin. Now, another good thing about this account is, on Turnitin, once your AI result is less than 20%, it's going to show you asterisk. It won't show you any percent. But in this account, it will show you, even if it is 4%, it will show you it is 4%, and it will show you where in that work that remaining 4% is. Even if it is 10%, it will also show you where that 10% is in your work. That is the advantage of this account. That is why I'm advising people to also get this as an alternative, so that it's going to reduce lot of spending and time wasting. Are you getting me? Now, before we move further, let's practicalize this so you can see it by yourself. Now, as you can see this date, May 13, 8:15 a.m. Now, these are the results I've checked already. Now, let's open this result so that we can see it by ourselves. Now, if we look at this result now, it's opening. Now, we are going to view these results and we are going to see the content of it. Are you getting me? We are going to see the content of it. Yeah. So you're going to wait. As you can see, AI, look at it now, 4%. 4%. Now, when you scroll down, you will see the places that is showing you 4%. Are you seeing the places? Now, on Turnitin on main Turnitin, it's on main Turnitin now. You see this section here that is not deep blue. On Turnitin will not flag this section as AI. Turnitin will ignore it. That is why I said this one is more strict. The only place Turnitin will flag is this place that is deep blue. That is the only place Turnitin will flag as AI in the world. But you see, any places that is not deep blue, like this place, Turnitin will not flag it as AI. That is why when you submit your work to Turnitin, you will get lesser reports because this one is more strict than AI. Are you getting me? Now, let's close this. This is 4%. I was working on this document. As I said, I will show you practically. So I went back, I worked on this document. After working on it again, as you can see the time, 8:03. I worked on it and I came back to check it again around 8:15. Now look at it. I'm viewing the reports now. I'm viewing the reports. So after working on it, I came back and I checked it and it's what? 0%. And it is what? 0%. If you check it now, look at this now. Look at this side now. You see? As I said, it will not be flagged as what? AI. Look at it now. It is now 0%. Now, this same work, let me show you the actual Turnitin report. This is the actual Turnitin report. This is the actual Turnitin report here. Now look at it, let me open it for you. You're going to see that it's also going to give 0%. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Look at it. This is the actual Turnitin report. Look at it here. 0%. Are you seeing what I'm saying now? Look at it. 0%. To confirm it, you can read, you can pause the screen and look at this side and also look at the report here. You will see that they are the same thing. So are you getting what I'm saying now? So like I said, I would advise you to go for this account. So it's going to help you reduce the number of time. And one other thing I would say is, if this account has showed you 0, please don't just send it to client. Always still check with Turnitin. I always give this advice because Turnitin is the software most school uses. So your results before you send to client, always make it based on what? Turnitin reports. Please. So if you need this account, just kindly send me a DM and I'm going to provide this account for you. Are you getting me? And in addition, before I round up this video, you can also, I want to also bring your notice to Right Human. Right Human is one of another wonderful tools you can use to reduce AI in your text. Now, the other time we have been using Stealth Writer, but Stealth Writer has been giving a lot of issues and all. But Right Human is now updated in the sense that Right Human, with Right Human, the output is more accurate, is more better than even before. And also you can have up to 3,000 inputs. Now let me use an example for you so you can see it with yourself. Are you getting me? So this is over 1,500 words. I can easily copy all this and come in here and paste. And one thing about Right Human is the output is really good. The output is really good. So you have the option here to choose academic, professional, and all depending on the format you want your writing to be. Are you getting me? Let's just choose academic. So we click on Right Human. So we wait for it to process. Now, I'm just introducing this to you so that you also know that you don't have to worry when it comes to how to humanize your AI text. Are you getting me? It's a very simple thing. How to, as you can see, 100% humanize. 100% was humanize. Now look at the variations we have. We have variation 1. The variation 2 now is 99%. Are you getting me? The variation 2 now is 99%. As you can see now, the variation 3 is 97%. So you can pick on any variation you want. And if you're not okay with any of the variation, you can come here and re-click Right Human to give you a new version. So that is that about this video. If you need this account, kindly let me know. And if you also need the Right Human account, kindly let me know. Thank you very much.